In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content control on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Instagram allows you to control how much sensitive content you would like to see from accounts you don't follow. So you can limit sensitive control. That means that content may contain some violence or drugs or some offensive content or whatever, and now you can limit that types of content to see them or not. That is quite new Instagram feature. So first open up your app store, then search for Instagram here, then open up Instagram app page, and right here, if this button says update, hit on that and wait until update process is complete. After it finished, hit add open button. Let me switch my account to show it from the scratch. Then once you are at your profile, hit add that three lines icon and select settings. Then tap Add Account, where you can easily find Sensitive Content Control feature. You can open it up, and there you can select between three different options. The first is More, so you might see more sensitive content. You can switch it to Standard to see less sensitive content. After that, you can hit Confirm, or if you want to limit sensitive content as much as possible, you can select Less to see less sensitive content. This feature affects at search results as well as recommended content in Explore, Reels, Feed, and hashtag pages. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.